In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's do a quick dry run of this code. So what I will do, I will write the indexes. This is my nums of array and I have a target, the value of 7 and the answer of this example will be 2. Okay, let me mention I pointer, j pointer and mention sum and mentioning size. So now I will be started 0. Okay, size will be plus infinity. Okay, then we have sum equals to 0, then flag will be at false. So let's take flag with a value of false. J will start from 0, so let's start with j. So I have one j pointer and I have one I pointer. Okay, now sum plus equals to array j, so I will add the jth element to the sum. I will get 2. Okay, now is sum is greater than k, greater than equals to k? No, my j pointer will move. Okay, it will be 1 and it will add the sum, it will be 5. Is it now greater than equals to k? No, my j pointer will move and it will add the element. So 6 is still not greater than equals to k. Again j plus plus, j will be at 3 and 6 plus 2 will be 8, which is greater than equals to k. Right. So now I will come under this while loop. I will find out the size. What is the size? J minus I plus 1. 3 minus 0 plus 1. That will be 4. Okay. Flag will be now true because we got something. Sum minus, now I will decrease the sum. So what I will do, I will decrease the sum minus nums of I. So I will do 8 minus 2 and I will move my I pointer, I plus plus. Okay, so I will be now at 1. Now is your sum is greater than equals to k? No, so it will come out from the loop and again I will do the j plus plus. Alright, my j will move to the element, so j will be at 4 and I will add the sum. So 6 plus 4 will be 10, which is again greater than k. Right. So what I will do, again I will come under this sum is greater than equals to target. I will find out the size. What is the size? 4 minus 1 plus 1. That is again 4. Okay. And now sum is greater than equals to target. We found out the size. Flag is true. Sum will be minus nums of I. So I will simply subtract it. 10 minus 3. Right, so if I am subtracting 10 minus 3, I will get 7 and I will move my I pointer, I plus plus. So I will move my I pointer, I will be pointing to 2. Now is 7 is also greater than or equals to k? Yes, it is equal. So what we will do, we will again will be in the loop, we will do j minus I plus 1. So 4 minus 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Okay, and flag is true. Sum will be again subtract, so I will again subtract 1. Now it will be 6 and my I pointer will move, so I will pointer at 3. Okay, now 6 is less than k, so what we will do, okay, we will add the next element. I will move my j pointer will be pointing to 5. 6 plus 3, that will be 9. Okay, which is greater than equals to k. So again I will come under this while loop. Size will be minimum j minus I plus 1. J is pointing 5, I is pointing 3. 5 minus 3 plus 1, that will be again 3. Okay, so what I will do, it is greater than k. I am in the while loop. We find out the size. Flag is true. I will subtract the sum with nums of I. Right, so I will subtract it. 9 minus 2, that will be 7 and it will move further. So let me put it with the red pen. 9 minus 2 and I will be here. So I will be pointing to 4. Your j is pointing to 5. We have 7 again, which is greater than equals to k. You will be in the loop. J minus I plus 1. 5 minus 4 plus 1. That will be 2. Alright. So what you will do? You will again flag is true. Sum minus nums of I. You will subtract this one too. So if you are subtracting this one, you will get 3. 7 minus 4, 3. And you will move your I pointer. Okay. And I will move my I pointer to 5. J is also 5. I is also 5. We got the sum 3, which is less than k. Right. So what we will do? Again now, I will move my j pointer and that's the end of the loop. J reached to the limit. So in this sizes, okay, what was the minimum size we got here? That is 2. That is our answer, right? We are calculating minimum with this one. We are finding the minimum here, right? I have not added it, but this is how we are finding the minimum, and this will be the solution of this code. So again, as discussed, this loop will run n times, okay, and when j loop is running, I loop, like ith loop is not running. So when it is running n times, it will run on worst case separately, so that the first loop can be worst of n and the second loop can be worst of n. Basically j will, the maximum what we can get, j will start from 0 to n. I will also start from 0 to n. So the maximum iterations I can get here, that is 2n. So the time complexity will be big O of n. In space complexity here, we will get big O of 1 because we are not taking any extra space. So yeah, this is how you can solve a problem on variable sliding window. You can see your size is variable, size is continuously changing, and this is how by using 2 pointers you can solve this problem. Okay, see you in the next problem.